twisting motion stopped by a set screw is a nightmarish thing to deal with. So just for cost and the fact that it would still be completely manageable within a unit, that's where I started thinking, you know what, just welding it all might be the best thing, especially since we're also expecting
if you're
those.
gonna put those couplings in there,
Mhm.
yeah, then you can take one whole section right out.
And the only reason I say that is because we're also expecting that arm to be our absolute stop for everything. So I would like to prove that there's really isn't a point of failure unless something completely. You would have to prove that your design fatigued beyond all usability and just gave way. Heim joints, or the ball joints in there, will add another very helpful aspect, which is where you actually, if you watch this closely, things have to slowly turn, and the Heim joint can not only does it go this way, but it also, if it was on threaded rod, for instance, and kept lubricated, it'll keep rotating, and it'll allow us to take any play out of the system.
This would be the threaded rod.
Yeah, yep, exactly. Your bottom Heim would probably have a stop nut on it to stop the threaded rod from being able to change its length, but your top Heim would have no stop nut. It would be floating continuously,
Yeah,
where
here's
it was
another
serviceable and able to be moved at the seat base. Your bottom one is locked in place down below.
And another thing, like we wanna tighten the cable, it's a double I with a not reverse thread.
Mhm.
So when you tighten it, you can open it up or close it, so you can adjust all your seats. I didn't show anything in there, but that could be in between each end, right in here.
Yeah, that's actually exactly what I was just
Yeah,
referencing.
yes, I thought-
Is
yeah.
positioning, getting all the seats to sit on the same level. We'll probably realize another interesting thing, which is if your seat sits flat, you're going to have a small degree of play regardless. It might be very minute depending on the quality of the parts, but you're going to have a degree of play. So we may want to have just enough adjustability to say that your seats don't actually ever start level, but they start at 75% of the first degree of pitch. And that's where they actually sit. That's actually their stop point. So that when you sit in the seat, it wouldn't even be perceived, but you would actually be falling into it.
Right.
And believe it or not, you're on a larger pitch than I've
Sure.
even asked for right now,
Sure,
just
absolutely.
in this seat.
And it seems natural.
Yeah.